the sporting directors to do the reviewing, they themselves knew reviewing from someone or from we the fans. They themselves, see, these our sporting directors, they are the worst ever in the history of Chelsea. See, I never see failures like them. See, they are the definition of the word failure. See, these our sporting directors are funny. They are comedians. They have to join Sabinus. In fact, they better join Sabinus. They can do the work. They are comedians. They are like puppies or dogs. Yes, you know, puppies or dog. They just follow their owner. Whatever their owner is sending them to, they follow. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is your boy Richman. In fact, guys, let's talk about these two important news from Chelsea camp. The first one, Chelsea still interested in signing these three strikers. Liam Delap from ECWC Town, Benjamin Sesko, and Victor Gyökeres, guys. These three strikers. But guys, there are some big problems with these signings. So we'll come and look at it. And the second one, guys, our sporting directors to review Enzo Maresca performance. Guys, listen to our sporting directors, the co-sporting directors, Lawrence Stewart and Paul Winstanley. They are to review Enzo Maresca performance. So we'll come and look at it. I hope you are surprised. Yes, don't be surprised. This is now the Chelsea. Yes, but before we do that, guys, please hit the like button for this video to go far on the YouTube algorithm. Hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the hope, it gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. So please hit the subscription button, hit the like button for this video to go far. So let's start with the striking, guys. Chelsea still have these three strikers on their list in the coming summer. Information says so. As I mentioned their names, Liam Delap, Benjamin Sesko, and Victor Gyökeres. And what are the possibilities of Chelsea signing these strikers or any of these strikers, guys? Because we need a striker. We all knew that. We need a striker. First of all, guys, you see all these strikers. Chelsea signing them are possible. We can sign them, but there are some conditions here. Yes, big one, of course. See, when we come to these three strikers, Liam Delap, for him, if I'm going to bring him to Chelsea, I will wait. I will wait until I get someone who had the experience more than him. Because Delap is not better than Jackson. See, Delap is not better than Kuku. Let's be honest. Delap is the level of McGill or Kellyman. So for me, signing any of these three strikers, I will not sign Delap. So Delap hands, let's just move Delap out of the equation. Let's come to Benjamin Sesko and Victor Gyökeres. Can Chelsea sign them? As I said, yes, possible. But the conditions are that, guys. If it is that Sesko want higher wages, and if it is that Victor Gyökeres want higher wages, there it will be a big problem. Because, see, Arsenal wants these strikers. Manchester United also want. And Chelsea were also interested. Yes. So in the summer, things will be hot for these strikers. And recently, Chelsea, we are not paying higher wages. Chelsea is not paying higher wages. Recently, Manchester United can pay more than Chelsea. When it comes to signing a player, recently Arsenal can pay more than Chelsea. So if any of these players want money, forget, we can't sign them. And forget, we are not getting them. So that is the issue here, or that is the problem here. We can sign them. But if they want money, forget, they can't come. Or if they want a certain wages more than our wage cap, like Osimhen deal, like Olise deal, like Kvaratskhelia deal. Yes, for that one, forget. So let's just hope that maybe any of these strikers want Chelsea. Their dream is to play for Chelsea Football Club. Because of our legacy, because of our brand, for that one, it will work. Like Caicedo deal and Lavia deal. They wanted to play for Chelsea. If not that, by now, Caicedo will be playing for Liverpool. So, unless it is that way, or any of these strikers don't want higher wages, or any of these strikers' dream is to play for Chelsea Football Club, then we can sign them. Guys, for me, that is my humble opinion. So, it will be very, very difficult for Chelsea to sign any of these strikers because they are demanded strikers. So many teams want them. So many teams. And modern football, forget. They can pretend, oh, Chelsea, when I started growing up, oh, I was supporting Chelsea. Drogba is my who and who. No, forget. See, before a player can say all this, when the money aspect is done and dusted. And that is a reality. Football, 30 years, 35 years, they already call you old man, old player, old footballer. You are now old, you can't play, so you have to make money. When you reach your 30, you retire, you can survive. So for me, sometimes, I don't blame them for going to Qatar, for going to Saudi or where. I don't make your money. 30 years as a footballer, you are just old like that. People start calling you old man in football. 30 years old, someone is already old. That is football, physics, energy. So sometimes, for me, I don't have problem with players who want money. Yes. So guys, that is the issue. And another issue here is that it may be another myth. Yes, they will put it out there. Chelsea still interested in Victor Gyökeres. Chelsea interested in Benjamin Sesko, what and what, so that we the Chelsea fans will concentrate on that. Or they will make us believe that they are care. They want to sign us the players that we want, the experienced players that we want, like in the summer, last summer. They use the whole summer, pretend as if they were to sign Osimhen. They use him. I didn't see any experienced striker Chelsea didn't link up to last summer. All the experienced strikers, Alvarez, Gurasi, who and who, at the end of the day, they went and signed as Maguire and Kellerman and co. To some extent, Omorodium, John Duran. So this maybe be another thing like that. Yes, they will put their names out there for we the fans to say that, okay, now our owners are about to do the right thing. Okay, now to bowl Eric Bali, now they are listening to the fans. Oh, they are about to sign the player that the fan want. At the end of the day, they went under or they go at our back and sign their inexperienced players, continue their business. So guys, these are the problems. These are the problems about Chelsea signing a striker. Yes, they can do all this. At the end of the day, if we can't pay the wages, forget. We are not landing Sesko. We are not landing Victor Gyökeres. So guys, let me hear from you in the comment section, your opinion, your thought about that. And let's come to the second thing, the second topic, the sporting directors to review Maresca performance. But before we do that, guys, please hit the like button for this video to go far on the YouTube algorithm. Hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the hope, it gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. So please hit the subscription button, hit the like button for this video to go far, and turn on the notification bell. More videos are coming. Let's come to the reviewing part. Our sporting directors, they are about to review Enzo Maresca performance. Information said that 2026 in the summer they will do that. Well, that is a good move, or that will be a good move. But the issue here is that the one who is going to do the reviewing, ECWC needs a review. The sporting directors to do the reviewing, they themselves need reviewing from someone or from we the fans. They themselves, see, these our sporting directors, they are the worst ever in the history of Chelsea. See, I never see failures like them. See, they are the definition of the word failure. See, these our sporting directors are funny. They are comedians. They have to join Sabinus. In fact, they better join Sabinus. They can do the work. They are comedians. They are like puppies or dogs. Yes, you know, puppies or dog. They just follow their owner. Whatever their owner is sending them to, they follow. And I don't blame them. From these smaller teams coming to be as a sporting director, you'll be jubilating. Yeah, that is a big achievement. So they have to listen. They have to follow the owners. Whatever the angle the owners are sending them to, they have to follow them. Because it's an opportunity for them, big opportunity to come and be Chelsea sporting directors. So these our sporting directors, they are nothing but shame. Yes, see, as I said, they themselves need a review. Signing players, 3 seasons, you use and sign players, you use and gather players, no leadership among the players, no experience among the players. See, all the players that they sign, until some of them who came and proved that they met the requirement of Chelsea or they met the standard of Chelsea, all the players, none of them are at the level of Chelsea. All the players so far, our sporting directors and the owners are, none of them meet the standard of Chelsea, the level of Chelsea. So you as a sporting director, you did all this dirty job, this dirty work. You are going to review someone's performance. Are you okay? Are you normal? Are you normal? You sign players in which those players cannot compete. You sign players, those players cannot even get their team top 4. Those players cannot beat their opponent big team, their rivals. You are calling yourself a successful sporting director. To some extent, you are going to review someone's performance. Are you normal? Are you okay? But guys, we don't have to blame them a lot because the owners are the problem. For the owners, the sporting directors are doing what they want. The sporting directors are doing what they like. They employ them to go and be signing them that young, inexperienced players, and they are doing that. For our owners, they are doing a marvelous job. They are doing a fantastic, super job. In fact, for our owners, these sporting directors are the best ever in the history of Chelsea. But not knowing that, they didn't understand the team that they are holding. They are managing. They are being owned. Chelsea is a big team. No. Chelsea is a competitive team. We are winners. Chelsea, we are winners. We are not growing players, selling them in the future. Chelsea rather wait for some teams to grow players so that we'll go and pay big monies and bring them to win titles. That is how we used to know our Chelsea. But unfortunately, new owners who knows nothing about football with that low mentality sporting directors and low mentality Maresca. So what do you expect? So guys, information said that our sporting directors are to review Enzo Maresca. Our sporting directors, see, this is so painful. The sporting directors are to rather review. See, if I'm going to do my review on these sporting directors, maybe I will say Kulpama, maybe I will say Caicedo, maybe I will say Cucurella. They sound Cucurella, eh? Huh? Okay, maybe I will say Cucurella. So, apart from these players, these 3 players, if I'm going to give them 1 to 10, I will say 2. Yes, 2. See, they are failures. Because all the players that they signed, how many of them able to meet that requirement? We even sell some of them recently. Over the past years, we sell some of them. Umar Hutchison, the guy scored against Chelsea. Can you remember? He sweet and he scored. He celebrated. We signed him. I think it was free transfer. We signed him and then sold him to Ipswich Town. The price that Chelsea sold him to Ipswich Town, it was their highest signing. So it wasn't a small profit they made. Our owners made. So guys, that is the information from Chelsea camp. Enzo Maresca review to happen through our co-sporting directors. And Chelsea still interested in these 3 strikers, Sesko, Dilap, and Victor Jorgen. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about all what we discussed in this video. And please, the protest is still coming. It's still on. Promote it. Clear like out. See, not even change the model. They will not change the model. They should leave. They should send the club to the former best owner. Our best former owner, Abramovich, is still available. Now, he's free to travel anywhere, to come to UK anywhere. The sanctions has been lifted. They should send the club back to Abramovich or sell the club. Clear leg out, Bluco out. Please, 25th of February, I will try and see if I can bring it live here on this channel. I will try. I'm still working on that, guys. Yeah, to see if I can get someone over there. Please, if you're in UK, you know on that day you will come out. I can join you to bring it live here. Please, there is email under the description of this video. Please give me a message so that we can talk more about it. If you are staying in UK, on that day, you'll be available on the street. I will bring it live here. So please, guys, the protest is still available. Promote it on your socials. Take care. Peace.